Hello children. So in this session we are going to know more about articles. So in this session we are going to see about articles. So what is article? So articles are two types. One is definite article, another one is indefinite article. So definite article is nothing but a and and the you call it as indefinite article. So a and an are definite articles whereas the is indefinite article. So where to use a and an? So we use a before consonant sound. So if a word is there and if the starting of the word is a consonant, then we'll be using a. So I'll repeat, if a word is given and you have to see the first letter of the word, or you have to check for the beginning sound. So if it is a consonant sound, you have to use a. Suppose if it is a vowel sound, you have to use an. I'll repeat. So if it is a consonant, you use a, and if it is a vowel, you will use an. So the examples are man, man. So is a consonant where is a consonant. So you have to use a man. Lamp, lamp. So l is a consonant. So you have to use a. Cat, cat, k, cat. So K sound. So C. So C is a consonant. So you have to use A. Whereas apple, apple. So A. So A is a vowel. So you have to use an. Eraser, eraser. So the first beginning sound is eraser. A sound. That is E. So you have to use an. Next is umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. So a is again a vowel sound, so we are using an. Now let's see some more rules. So a and an are used for objects that are not specific or one of the several things of similar type, whereas the is for the specific object that we are talking about. For example, I need a phone. You need only one phone, and the phone is a consonant, so you have to use a. You need only one phone, so here a phone represents one phone. I need a phone. Whereas the, can you give me the books on the table? So books is a plural, so you are using the. So we don't put a and an before uncountable noun. For example, give me a sugar is wrong because sugar is uncountable noun. She has an intelligence. So you can't determine the intelligence. You can't measure the intelligence. So intelligence comes for uncountable noun. So she has an intelligence is wrong. Now let's see the article the. That is your definite article. Let's see the rules for the definite article. So there are many rules for the definite article. For example, if a word is a specific, you use the. For example, I need a phone. So if you generally ask a phone, you can ask I need a phone. But if you are specific in asking a particular phone which is placed over somewhere, or if it is over somebody's hand, then you have to use the. For example, I want the phone which is in the table. I want the phone which is on the table. So if it is particular, I'm using the. And when the second rule is, whenever the word is repeating, you can use the. For example, I have a cat. I have a cat. The cat is very naughty. The cat is very naughty. So here I am talking about the cat the second time. So I am using the. So for the n number of times when the word is repeated, you can use the. And the third rule is, whenever it is seas or oceans, you can use the. For example, the Ganges, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. And your next rule is, whenever if you talk about some well-known buildings, if you talk about some well-known buildings, and you can use the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Red Fort. And you can use the before holy books or newspapers. So for example, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Hindu, the Deccan Plateau, or the Deccan Chronicle. So for holy books and newspapers, you can use the. For trains and ships and aeroplanes, we use the. For example, the Chennai Express, the Mumbai Express, the Rajdhani Express. And we use the before some countries. So remember, the countries has to be united. For example, USA. It's United States of America. So use the because it is a common noun called states and kingdom. So states, so number of states are together, which we call United States of America. So the is a the in such case we will be using the. And you can use the before superlative degree. So you know what is superlative degree. Superlative degree, it ends with est or it will start with most. So for example, the highest, the tallest, the smartest, the shortest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, the most useful. So in such cases like superlative degree, you use the. And we use the before some. So we use the before gulfs, deserts, poles, continents, waterfalls, oceans. So there are. And now let's move to the next one where we are not using zero article. And before going to that zero article, let me share you something. The is used before so many things as we have learned now, but the is not used in some cases. Let's see what it is. For example, with proper nouns, that is the Raj Sharma. So Raj Sharma is a proper noun. So in such case, you should not use the. So another proper noun will be like the India. So India is a proper noun. I should not use the India there. So before proper nouns, we have to avoid the. And we have to avoid the before uncountable nouns as well. For example, the sugar is wrong. The honesty is wrong. The iron is wrong. The intelligence is wrong. So the should be avoided with uncountable nouns. So let's see where we are using zero articles. So with names of people, you should not use any article. So you should not either use a and the. இது மூணுமே you should not use it. So we have to avoid using the articles before names of a people, then before continents. So you should not write a and the before continent's name. You should not write a and the before city's name. You should not write a and the before street's name. You should not write a and the before mountain's name. You should not use a and the before games like chess, carom. He is a good chess player. So you should not use he is a good chess player. No, you can't say. So you should not use a and the before meals. You should not use a and the before uncountable nouns. So let's see some examples. Looking to the first question, when you when can you usually see dash moon? So moon is only one moon in the universe. So whenever there is only one, you have to use the. So we can can when can you usually see the moon? So moon is only one in the universe. So the answer is the. The second question, I saw dash very bright star in the sky. I saw, you are seeing only one bright star. So it is only one bright star. So the answer is a. I saw a very bright star. Check your third question. I forgot to bring my pen. Do you have dash pen I could borrow? Do you have the pen I could borrow? Coming to the fourth question, I have a new car. Dash car is red. So you are already talking, you have already spoken about your new car and you are repeating the second time that the car is red in color. So whenever there is repeating, you have to use the. I have a new car. The car is red in color. Coming to the fifth example, what is dash capital of Australia? So you are very specifically wanted to know the capital of Australia. So if it is a specific, you have to use the. What is the capital city of Australia? So likewise, so this is the usage of articles, and I hope you have learned where to use the article and where not to use the article. So see you in the next session. Thank you.